This is Sean Grace. I'm the president at Hawk Mountain Sanctuary Association, and today we're out and doing some birding right in my backyard. And one of my favorite ways to connect with birds is to use my ears and interpret what I am seeing by using my ears. So why don't you join me? We'll go for a little walk and let's see what we can find for birds just by using our ears. That's one of our, that's the most common warbler that breeds at Hawk Mountain Sanctuary. That's the ovenbird. And we just heard that calling over here. It calls teacher, 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 teacher. That was a scarlet tanager calling way back. And that bird's electric red. You've heard of a red-winged blackbird? That's a black-winged redbird, but it's like you plug it into a light socket. It's so brilliant. That was its call. So that's the chirr of a red-bellied woodpecker. That's him right there. He was also just drumming. A variety of our woodpecker... That was him drumming. A variety of our woodpecker species in our forests, that's how they communicate. They're all drummers at heart. But if you listen and you study the birds, you can actually know which of the woodpecker species, whether it's a hairy, a downy, a pileated chickadee right here, or in this case, a red-bellied woodpecker that's drumming. So we have red-bellied woodpecker, jay. We also have a black-capped chickadee that's sitting right overhead. It's actually nesting in this nest box. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Z. Alright, so that's the black-throated green warbler calling. Oh, the beer of the black-throated blue warbler calling right over here. Red-bellied woodpecker. Scarlet tanager calling way out. Teacher, 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 teacher. We also heard a wood thrush. Z. That's a black-throated green. Z. I do a lot of mnemonics when I'm birding by ear, or especially birding with other people and trying to teach them. It helps you filter out all the other sounds that you're hearing so you can clue in on that one. You're like, oh, that's the black-throated. Or the teacher, 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 teacher. Oh, that's the ovenbird. Oh, that's the red-bellied woodpecker we're calling. Oh, that hoarse robin-like call. That's the scarlet tanager. Cardinal. A cool call, which is actually the first bird call I ever learned as a child. Maybe 10 years old or something, maybe earlier than that. But I always heard this bird in my yard. And I always look for it, and I eventually found it high up in the trees this time of year, and it was doing a variation of calls, but it's a whistly call. And that's the call of the northern cardinal. Now a moment ago we didn't have our camera rolling, but we did have the of the Cooper's hawk. We're in the soft beep, 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 beep. That's a blue-gray gnatcatcher. Pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird. That's a Carolina wren. Thanks for joining me today for a morning cup of coffee and one of my favorite things to do, and that's birding right in my backyard. It's a great way for you to connect, to de-stress, Connect with your surroundings and connect with nature. And I think that's so vitally important, especially in this time of crisis. And it's a great way to relaxing. And for me, it really is. It's a walking meditation as you connect with the voices of the forest that surrounds you.